Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to change your headlamp bulb on a Chrysler 200 2015 and up. As you can see on this side, you can go through here, but that's not where they recommend to change it from. It's supposed to go through right under there. Alright, so I'm going to turn the tire to the left to have more space to work. Alright, so I want to turn the wheel to the right because I'm working on the left side. If you're working on the right side, it will turn the wheel to the left. So now what this do is it give you more space to work right there. Alright, alright, so use a coin like a quarter, and you want to turn this until it's straight like that, and it will come down like that. Alright, then you can swing this out the way, then you will have access to the bulb in there. I'm going to try to make you get a good shot at it. Alright, now it's a very easy job, so now we locate that right there. The hardest part of this is to get my phone in there to make the video. So you want to go ahead and twist this up. As you can see, the sign say open. You will see the sign. You follow it up. You follow it and open it. Take that out. Then you will get access to the bulb. And then you want to twist the bulb down. Take it out. And also you want to unplug the bulb by lifting this part up and over the part that lock the bulb in. Alright, so lift it up and push it back. Alright, and you unplug it just like that, and you reverse the process to put in the bulb. I'm going to show you in a few. And the bulb size that it take is where it is, it's 9012. That's the size of the bulb. Alright, so you want to come down here with your new bulb. This is the new bulb, by the way, and you want to plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in off camera. You guys should be able to plug it in real easy. You take it out. Alright. So and by the way, this is the same way you do it for the Dodge Dart. So you want to push the bulb in and remove the wires and line it up. Alright, so normally I would go through the fender liner like where I put the camera, but because I want you guys to see what I'm doing, I go from above. But you want to get it lined up, all the grooves in. It's kind of hard. Okay. So you get it lined up, you twist it in. Alright. Alright, so that's the angle it should be when it line up and almost in. And then you want to twist it up. That will do it. And you want to get the cover and follow the instruction as it say top. Put this at the top. Line it up. twist it and lock it. Alright, sorry for the shakiness, but I'm trying to hold my camera in there and do it with my other hand, which is kind of complicated. And it's the same procedure for the Dutch door. Alright, so now this, you want to twist this piece back up. Put it up right there. And you want to get your clip and lock it into place, alright? Alright, so you want to go ahead and get this in like that. I'm going to do it in case you missed it. So you push it up, get this in like that, and twist it around. Alright, and that's it, guys. Thanks for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. And then you want to test your work. Make sure the lights work. So we got to start the car for them to come on. Alright, let's go check it to make sure it works. And now we have headlamp. Alright, thank you. Give me a thumbs up if I help you.